Welcome to Auto Plus, my YouTube channel. Today we're reviewing a machine that defies expectations. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. What was once a powerful long-haul truck is now a full-fledged luxury motorhome that combines brute strength with top-tier comfort. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement on wheels. From the outside, the T2000 keeps its bold and iconic semi-truck presence. The signature aerodynamic hood, chrome accents, and wide grille let you know this rig was built for the highway. But the transformation into a motorhome is where it truly surprises. Custom bodywork, slide-outs, premium paint, and flush-mounted windows give it a sleek RV feel, while still retaining the power and reliability of a Kenworth. Under the hood is a powerhouse, an updated 15-liter turbocharged engine, pushing out over 600 horsepower with a 12-speed automated transmission. Whether you're climbing steep grades or towing additional gear, this beast doesn't back down. And thanks to air ride suspension and adaptive cruise control, driving this massive machine feels surprisingly smooth and easy. Step inside and you'll instantly forget you're in a truck. The interior is nothing short of luxurious. The living area features rich leather seating, a retractable 4K smart TV, built-in surround sound, and LED ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood. Premium vinyl floors and solid wood cabinetry elevate the space far above standard RVs. The kitchen is modern and fully equipped. It includes quartz countertops, an induction cooktop microwave, full-size refrigerator, and a deep stainless steel sink. There's also a pull-out pantry and overhead storage, making it feel more like a condo kitchen than something in a vehicle. Toward the back is a private bedroom with a full-size bed, underbed storage, wardrobe space, USB charging ports, and its own 32-inch smart TV. Soft close drawers, blackout shades, and dual-zone climate control make this a true rest zone after a long day on the road. And yes, there's a full bathroom, a spacious shower with glass doors, a porcelain toilet, and a stylish vanity with LED. Lighting brings spa-level comfort to the mobile experience. There's even a combo washer-dryer tucked neatly away for extended road trips. On the tech side, the 2025 T2000 Motorhome includes rooftop solar panels, lithium batteries, smart climate control, remote monitoring, a Wi-Fi hotspot system, and security cameras. It's designed for complete off-grid independence and safety. In summary, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is the perfect blend of commercial strength and luxury living. Whether you're exploring the open road or living full-time on wheels, this is one of the most capable and comfortable rigs available today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Plus for more epic vehicle reviews.